Roses love bananas. Use banana peels as a natural fertilizer. Want bigger, brighter, and healthier roses without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. We're diving into the surprisingly effective world of banana peels as a natural fertilizer for your beloved roses. Banana peels are packed with potassium, a vital nutrient for rose health. Potassium helps roses bloom more beautifully and grow stronger. It's like giving your roses a daily dose of vitamins. A simple gardening trick involves placing banana peels at the base of the planting hole when you plant new roses. Water thoroughly afterwards to kickstart the nutrient absorption. This also works for feeding existing rose plants. Growing roses can be rewarding, but also challenging when dealing with pests like aphids. Banana peels offer a natural way to combat these pesky insects. They contain essential nutrients that promote healthy rose growth and blooming. Potassium, in particular, strengthens cell walls, improving nutrient absorption. This makes your roses more resilient and less susceptible to aphid infestations. It's a win-win. Using banana peels is an easy and cost-effective solution to protect your roses against aphids. You don't need expensive essential oils or complicated companion planting methods. Banana peels contain natural compounds that repel aphids and other garden pests. Gardeners know the value of using banana peels to enrich soil and promote flowering. The easiest way to compost these waste products is to mix them in with kitchen scraps and yard debris in your compost bin. This produces a more balanced source of nutrients. The compost benefits all parts of your rosebush, including its roots. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly way to nourish your roses. Plus, you're reducing waste. Adding banana peels to the soil around your rose garden can increase plant strength and health. Banana peels contain potassium, which is crucial in fighting disease and pests. They're also rich in calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, supporting healthy plant development. To best utilize these peels, soak them in water for several days to create a nutrient-rich solution. Fill a bucket or jar with peels, adding enough water to cover them completely. Leave to soak until ready. Strain the solution before pouring directly onto the soil or rose beds. Continue this routine weekly for best results. Chopped peels can also be sprinkled into the soil when planting roses. This helps them break down quickly and provide essential nutrients from day one. This approach works extremely well if starting from seed. Simply place a layer of chopped peels in each hole when planting and water well afterward. This ensures your blooms get all they can out of this handy trick. This technique saves money over purchasing expensive store-bought fertilizers. Banana peels are an excellent source of potassium for garden plants. Adding them to the soil, either directly or mixed in a compost pile, slowly releases nutrients over time. It's an affordable and beneficial alternative to store-bought fertilizer. For optimal results, bury or mix banana peels into your compost pile. This ensures their nutrients are released more slowly and available to all plants instead of just roses. Another natural way of using banana peels as fertilizer is by drying them out and making a tea for your flowers. Place the peels in a jar filled with water and leave for about 1 week. The liquid can then be used as a side dressing for blooms. Banana peels can help prevent rose fungus attacks. However, most organic materials provide plants with ample amounts of this nutrient upon decomposition. Therefore, it would be prudent to forego banana peels in your garden in favor of other less costly and more nutritious solutions that may exist instead. Banana peels can also be used to fertilize roses by spreading chopped pieces around their bases once newly planted roses. This allows nutrients to seep into the soil, providing nourishment from within. Or simply place banana peels at the bottom of any hole when planting new rose bushes, then water thoroughly afterwards. Too many banana peels can oversaturate soil with nitrogen and harm rose plants. Experts suggest adding up to 3 banana peels per rose plant. Many gardeners utilize homemade banana water as an economical and effective means of feeding their roses. This process involves soaking banana peels until soft before straining out the resultant liquid to use in watering roses as well as other plants like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. TikTok users have come up with a clever gardening hack, using banana peels to protect roses from pest insects. Bury chopped up peels an inch or 2 deep around their base. Chopping them up and placing around their roots will keep your roses healthy. Alternatively, add them directly into compost as an organic soil improver and natural insect trap. However, once full of bugs, make sure you remove it as the scent may attract animals like squirrels or raccoons. So, are you ready to give your roses the banana boost they deserve? Try these tips and watch your roses thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides. https://lifeandwork.blog/comment below. Happy gardening!